So these narcos, there's a kind of distributed network where a bunch of them are pretending to be farmers. So they're holding onto the land, and then maybe they start planting cocaine on the land slowly, and they build airstrips. Are they trying to stay under the canopy?
Yeah.
With the airstrip?
It's brilliant. First, what they do is they subsidize the poorest people, and they say, go up this river, turn left at the tree, and just start there. And they're like, here's a few grand. And these people are like, I never had a few grand before. They're like, buy gasoline, here's a chainsaw, go clear some land. They send these people up there, and then when they show up a year later and these people have made an illegal farm out in the jungle, they go, hey, we need a safe house. Remember that time we gave you the gasoline and now you live here? You're going to work for us now. And so they're kind of a friend of the people like that. And they have safe houses all over the jungle. And then when the bosses come to collect what they're growing out there, I mean, the police busted a narco operation that was in the middle of the jungle. I mean, hiking to the ancient forest, like just days into the jungle. These people are going on foot with sacks and stuff. And the way they do their airstrips is, you think the canopy of the rainforest is 150 feet tall, 160 feet tall. And if you clear the interior of the landing strip, the trees are still meeting overhead. And so you can't fly over and see down, which is the same reason we didn't know about the road that was going to the ancient forest, because overhead the trees are meeting. So you're not going to see it on satellite. You're not going to see it from a plane. And these pilots, these bush pilots, fly in and they'll just duck in under the canopy, land their plane, load up, and then they fly out. I mean, expert pilots.
So it's impossible to detect.
It's almost impossible to detect. We're working with people now. It's this arms race. They're going, okay, there are drone programs. I talked to someone that has a different type of drone. A 16-foot drone that like uses the thermals to climb up and has solar panels on the wings and flies for 2 weeks at a time. It's like a glider that recharges itself, and it'll keep constant imagery. So we'll get almost up to the moment data on disturbances in the canopy. And it's like, well, that'll be a first-hand alert system. But then we got to get the police out there, which, as you know, a 2-day expedition by boat, and it's the only way. And so the local police force there may be dedicated, but putting people on a multi-day expedition to go get shot at in the jungle is nobody's idea of a good time.
You understand? Have you researched into this whole other world of drug trafficking, cocaine trafficking? How big is the operation here? Looking at Perplexity, multi-thousand-ton, multi-billion-dollar global industry.
I mean, globally, it's a monster.
Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, and they move north and east through the Americas, the Caribbean, the Atlantic to reach major consumer markets. Yeah, this is a machine fueled by a lot of money and a lot of brutality. Number of cocaine users worldwide is about 25 million people. Users. So there's a market.
Oh, yeah.
And when there's a market, you're going to find the way